Let's bring on board Nikhil Dulhani, who is the head of investor relations at Saraswati Saree IPO. Remember that this particular account actually listed on the bourses today. It saw a healthy premium on the listing, and we have Nikhil with us. A very good morning to you, Nikhil. Firstly, congratulations on listing on the bourses. Now you are a listed entity. I'm sure it's a great day for all of you at Saraswati Saree. But if you could tell us and highlight to viewers where or how are you going to utilize the funds that you raised via this IPO now?
Yeah, thank you so much for having me at your channel, and it's a big day for us. It's a milestone. We at Saraswati family are very excited and happy. We raised 104 crores, which were primary issue, and out of that 81 crores is going to be used for working capital. Currently 90% of sales comes from sarees. So what we are going to do is we're going to focus on sarees, and then we're going to add one more product, which is men's ethnic wear. We internally discussed, and we thought men's ethnic wear is a good space to enter because this trend is growing, and we are already in sarees, which is an ethnic wear product. So 81 crores is going to be used for working capital. Then we're also going to enter into a B2B online space, which is going to be complementing to our physical stores, because right now 100% of our sales comes from physical stores. So what we do is we are a B2B player. We sell products to retail outlets and who sell products to their end customer. So the retail outlets who buy from us, they usually come once in a week, once in 15 days, or once in a month. So we cater to 13,000 unique retail outlets. So with B2B online, what we're going to do is we try to increase the purchase turns. A person who comes once in a month, we're going to try to get them twice through our online channel. And that's the focus right now.
Right. Hi, Nikhil. A very good morning. This is Shrishti on the other side. And firstly, congratulations on a stellar listing. Nikhil, when I see your financials, that has seen a significant improvement, especially your margins. Nikhil, now the listing is done, and now that we can talk numbers, then with your future plans to enter the B2B space as well and some of the other expansion plans as well, how do you see your overall margins improving from 6.5% that was reported in FY24?
Yeah, what I would say is from 21, rather than from 23 to 24, we've grown. EBITDA has grown close to 21%, and PAT has grown to 29%. I would refrain myself to give future projections, but what I can say, looking at the past, we've grown. I think we're going to grow our margins in the future as well. See, basically, if the data points, if you look at what we do is we play with operating leverage, and we try to improve our operational efficiency and cut down our costs. And also what we try to do is we're trying to increase the average price of the product that we sell. So idea is to again improve average price of the product that we are selling and improving operational efficiency and cutting down cost, which again the top line will directly go and reflect in bottom line. So idea is, yes, to improve, but I won't give any numbers right now. But you can see in the past we've grown.
Nikhil, just wanted to come back to your business, and as far as I understand, 90% of your revenue comes from sarees alone, and though you have bifurcation or diversification in other segments as well, could you tell us how is the demand there, and also what's your inventory levels there? Because given the fact that, yes, I'm sure the fashion changing pretty fast, isn't it?
Yes. So 90% of sales is sarees, that's right. And current inventory is north of 100 crores, which we saw in FY24. If you could, mostly we focus on a working capital intensive model and asset light model. So major money goes into working capital. So more than 100 crores of inventory. And if you could see our turns, we do 6 times. So that is our inventory turns. So 100 plus into 6 is 610 crores, the revenue that we did in FY24. So idea is that. So what we focus on is we have a ERP system in place. So we focus on improving purchasing so that we don't have much of a dead stock, And what we do is we try to turn our inventory quicker. Our strategy is, because we sell to retail outlets and we don't have any investment in manufacturing unit, what we do is we have connections with 900 unique suppliers. What we ask them to do is give us sample first, which is close to 200 to 300 pieces, and we have 13,000 customers with us. We test those 200, 300 pieces of particular design with them. Once it goes hit, that particular product is again reordered, and then we increase the number of pieces. And what we do is, usually the season period is festive and wedding, and June is monsoon is usually a sale period for us. And whatever products are left during monsoon, we mix and match with products which are already there, and again we go into the market and buy inventory at the lower cost from the suppliers and mix that product, and on an average we do fairly well.
Nikhil, also wanted to understand about your expansion plans, because what we believe is that you have a major presence in southern and the western regions of India. But what about expanding more? Because we believe India, you have the sale and the sari love all across India. So from these regions, how do you see the company expanding in the rest of India?
Yes. So currently we are in West and South. So West contributes close to 88% and South contributes close to 17%. But that is the percentages of our revenue. But we think the West and South is still, a lot of untapped market for us. We just only cater to 13,000 unique customers. I think there are a lot of customers who are not tapped by our company yet. I think we're going to focus on West and South, and there is a scope to grow in West and South. And if you look at industry report, 45% of sarees is sold in South, and we are just 17% of our revenue comes from there. So I think West and South is still something that we're going to focus on, and once entirely capitalize this market, then we'll focus on moving to other markets.
All right, Nikhil, with this we'll let you go on that. Thank you so much for taking the time out on this busy day and talking to us about the future plans of the company. Pleasure having you and wishing you all the best since we are looking forward to more interactions in the times ahead. So that was the management of Saraswati Saree Depot. The stock got listed on the exchanges today, and it's been a great listing, and the company management did share their future expansion plans as well.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.